Hi, Abdul here, the founder of rmdigitalrazakmusa.com, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can create your own word counter tool. So to start with, what is a word counter tool? A word counter tool is a URL or a website that anybody can go in and put in their content or their text. So the tool is going to tell them how many characters are inside and how many text. So let's take an example of one of our tools. So we go here, more free tools, scroll down, let's find the tool and see its functionality. So we can create one with WordPress, Elementor and ChatGPT. I'm going to show it to you right now. That is word counter tool. So this is a word counter tool. So what happens here is that let's go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT a question. What is SEO? And explain. So let's see what we got from ChatGPT. We are getting a nice text of what is SEO. So the aim here is to know how many words and how many characters we get from ChatGPT. Okay, so this is enough. So let me just copy from here, and then yeah, I think this is good. So we come back. This is the tool, word counter tool, and after showing you how you can build this tool, I'll show the advantage on how you can use this tool to your advantage. You can build the same tool on your website. You can build this tool as a freelancer for a client. So let me show it to you. Let's paste this here. Scroll down. Now let's see what is happening. Now we got number of characters 3,845, number of words 553. So easy. So there is let's go on Google and check something out. Look, word counter tool. So there are a lot of word counter tools that goes with subscription. Some of the word counter tools you have to make a payment. They are not free, but I think this one here is free. So let's take a look at this. We're gonna paste in the same and then check now. What's happening here? Okay, it's giving us automatically. So this is 553 words, 3,793 characters. Let's check our own tool. 553, 3,845, and here is 3,793. So but the word count is the same. So this is how you can build a word counter tool. And building a word counter tool, you can build a complete brand new domain, a brand new website as a word counter tool, which you can sell it as a gig, as a freelancer, make money from this tool, or you can work it for a client, build it on your website. This is done with WordPress and Elementor using ChatGPT. But before you can create a tool like this, let me show you something. You need to install a plugin. So let's go to our WordPress backend. Just a minute. Let me bring this to the top. Okay, so you need code snippet, right? You need code snippet so you can build this. Just a minute. Or is just trying to check something out. Okay, so you need to install code snippet. After installing, you just let me show you something. Go to plugins, add new. It's very easy. So you can build a lot of tools with ChatGPT. I'll be revealing some most important tools that you can build using ChatGPT. But then this is the first video that I'm doing for word counter tools. So if you want to get more update, if you want to learn more with me how you can build tools with ChatGPT, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated anytime I post a new video. So code snippet. This is code snippet. So you just click on install, just like this one, install and activate. So after the activation, you just go to code snippet, add new. So we've already have one. So you're gonna add new and then go to edit. All right. So this is the code that you're gonna paste. I even created this with ChatGPT. I will show it to you. But then after creating this, you have to add in your OpenAI. Okay, I'm not showing the OpenAI because I cannot display my OpenAI API. Okay, so you update the API, and let's continue. Let's go back. Now let's go back to the word counter tool. This is our word counter tool. No, this is not our word counter tool. Let's see, where is... Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Free tools, more tools. Let's look for the word counter tool. Word counter tool. There is the tool that I built completely with ChatGPT. And normally, if you want to use this as a gig, you can sell this on a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork. You can also build this on your own website. It is very simple using ChatGPT. And I use this in a blog article. That is why it's showing up like this. Okay, so if you don't want it to display like this, you can display it like this. This is not my website, I'm just showing it to you. So you can display it like this. If you display it without all these features here and the blog article, this is just an article that I wrote down it. So you don't need all this article. You just need to build your own word counter tool using ChatGPT. So to start, let's go here. I'm just going to edit Elementor because I assume if you want to build this tool using ChatGPT, possibly you have knowledge of WordPress, you know how to use Elementor. If you don't know how to use WordPress and Elementor, you can make a comment below. I will see if I can post another video how to use WordPress and Elementor to create a page. So I assume in this video that you already know how to use WordPress and Elementor. So I'll just go on to edit with Elementor just to make this video short and simple. Okay, so now we are in Elementor. So what you gonna do here, let me see, let me close this. Okay, so you just drag a container, put it here, and use an image, put it there. Okay, that is the word counter tool. That is how I make it. Now here, this is where the action starts. Okay, let me copy this. I will just copy this, I'll delete this, and then start from the beginning. So this is just a blog article that is down it, so don't worry about this. You don't need to create a blog article. I'm only using this for the ranking purposes. Okay, but then you come here, create a new container, we get our box, and let's name this word counter tool. We're gonna put it center, make it black. Okay, it's our H2. All right, so we need a second container. No, let's just tick yeah, we can make another container. So we put the code inside. Now we go here and search for HTML. Pick this here and put it there. So now we're gonna paste our code. Okay, but let me show you. It's very simple. This is our code. So let me show it to you. Okay, so let me show you how we can make this with ChatGPT. So we go to ChatGPT, and yeah, we can use the 4.0, and here is the prompt. Okay, it's very simple prompts. Okay, this is the prompt for word counter tool. Create a word counter tool that integrates with WordPress and utilizes ChatGPT API processing text. I will post the prompt in the description below so you can copy it. Okay, now we're gonna send the prompt, and let's see what ChatGPT is gonna give us. There is so simple. So that is the prompt. It's giving us the HTML and giving us the XML, the Java. So all we have to do is just copy all this and paste it. If this is going to be something hard for you, you can ask ChatGPT to combine all together. So ChatGPT is going to do that for you. You get all the instructions from ChatGPT, very easy. So you can write something like this. So we're asking ChatGPT to give us the code in one single output. You can also test the word counter tool in Elementor. So let's see, we can copy all these blog articles, paste it here, and say count words. We have 2,424 words, 15,230 characters. Very simple. That is how it works. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so what is happening with ChatGPT? Okay, so now it's going to give us the complete code. So all you have to do is copy this code and paste it in the word counter tool in the HTML file. So that is as simple as that. Okay, that is so simple. All you need is the HTML code, the JavaScript code, and the code for the word snippet that I showed to you previously in the back end. That is all. And with all these three combined, you get your word counter tool. So simple as this. And if you don't understand or you need help, just make a comment and I will go into more details, because I try to make this video as simple as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be posting more interesting tools.